form is Moksha Vishweshwarya.
Various calamities like flood.
Because we just thoda pati di para camera ke mobile पर. Thank you sir.
मिस्टर असरारुल हक साहब वो आए यहाँ पे आराम से अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन and there is a one single presentation we have received from engineer Nadeem Akbar Najjar, junior engineer mechanic. We run the mechanical engineer.
Not sure.
Honorable Chief Guests, other dignitaries and
It's a very versatile machine. It will help
engineering a resilient future, building strong.
All along, he has been inventing and innovating new things according to his needs. It is said, necessity is the mother of invention. Human history has witnessed the prehistoric world 1,40,000 years.
आज इंजीनियर्स डे पे हमने याद भी करते उनकी कंट्रीब्यूशन की और मैं तो खैर ज़्यादा मसरूफ रहता हूँ अपने ही काम में क्योंकि आप सभी को मालूम है जल जीवन मिशन अभी चल रहा है and we are under a lot of pressure but I am thankful to all my colleagues, my Axians, my SCs, my AEs, my AWs. They are making it a success and I hope very soon we'll be able to have a feather in our cap. Thank you.
Me a bit here and there. Anyway.
Meeting here on this 56th Engineers Day, I would greet everybody with Happy Engineers Day. We celebrate it every year almost, and we pay our regards to the greatest son of the soil, Bharat Ratna. Only engineer who has got Bharat Ratna so far is Sir Visvesvaraya, who has been the pioneer engineer of this part of the world.
Sir, thank you sir. Sir, thank you sir.
Outstanding AE award goes to Mudassir Bashir Kuche, Steve Trust. So please big round of applause for all of them.
Thank you sir. Thank you sir. Namaskar.
It is a great honor and privilege to be here with you today on this auspicious occasion of the 56th Engineers Day celebration. Today, we come together not only to celebrate the remarkable contributions of the engineers, but also to commemorate the birthday of the eminent engineer of this great nation and Bharat Ratna recipient, the only one from the engineering fraternity, Sir Moksha Vishweshwaraya. Sir Moksha Vishweshwaraya is fondly known as Sir MV by his contemporaries, was a visionary engineer whose legacy continues to inspire generations together. He exemplified the essence of engineering, a relentless pursuit of knowledge, innovation, and service to the society. That's what the previous speakers have been talking about. The engineers have been innovative all over, and their services to the nation are really exemplary. Today, as we remember his invaluable contributions, we are reminded of the profound impact engineers have made in our life and to the world, and also to our future. This year's theme, as all of you have been talking about, is engineering a resilient future, building stronger, smarter, and safer societies. Having said this, of course, in the times of climate change, the challenges to every section of the society is manifold, and so is for the engineering fraternity as well. The conventional technique of engineering has to take a kind of transformation in order to address the unforeseen vulnerabilities that are coming our way and the resilience that the society has to show to battle those great challenges coming our way.
So
आपने देखा कि हाल में हाउसफुल था. It was a 56 Engineers Day 15 सितंबर को मनाया जा रहा है और इंजीनियर विश्वेश्वरैया की याद में जो 1861 में पैदा हुए थे कर्नाटका में. Because of his nobility, novel work, marvelous job, he's been remembered for this day. And engineers are celebrating just to salute him as well as to remind ourselves that we are made for the service to the humanity.
The purpose of celebrating this day was to actually apprise the younger generations about the contributions made by Mr. Viswaraya and to ask them to work with the same zeal and dedication as has been done by them. Though we are facing many challenges with respect to technology and environment, climate change. So, in a sense, the purpose of this whole event was to acclimatize to the people, to the younger generation about the modern challenges and to how to cope up with them. You might have seen that many of the PPTs were there, their presentations were there. So it was more of an academic thing and apprising them of the glorious past of engineers and how to carry on this legacy forward.